had reached a stage where I was just not pleased with the way I looked. And I even felt that even the public perceives you differently when you look like an older person. They think, oh, she's older. And between that and also just looking at the mirror every day and seeing so many lines, so many indentations, which were not reflective of how I felt inside. But that was actually the reason that prompted me to start looking at various doctors until I settled on Dr. Schuster for a facelift. When I talked to Dr. Schuster, there was just innately a sense of trust and confidence. He really listened to me when I talked to him about the things that I wanted done and that I didn't want done. He heard me, and I just felt like this was the right move. When you have the facelift, you do it primarily for yourself. You want to be happy with yourself when you look in the mirror every day. You face yourself every day, and you want to say, I want to look younger than I am looking. But additionally, people, believe it or not, they perceive you differently when they think you're younger. It wasn't a necessity from the standpoint that life can go on. You can continue to look older, but it is such a plus. It is such a plus. And when I finally decided to do it, I thought, nothing ventured, nothing gained. You're not going to look worse, so just take the plunge and do it. And I can't tell you how much it's changed my life. One friend in particular, she said, you look 30 years old, Sue. You look 30. And I said, oh, come on, because I don't want to swallow that and say, take that compliment and say, and absorb it and say, and keep it as my own. It's really a compliment from someone else, but I would be happy with looking 50. And when people say you look 35, it's astounding to me. It's just astounding. And I had one beauty shop that's a very particularly popular one in Baltimore say, this is the best job I've ever seen.